Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is one of my favorite Punjabi Pinni, which is basically laddus made with ghee, wheat flour and dry nuts. It's really popular North Indian dessert which is quite rich in nutrients and calories. It's a perfect morning booster or you can take it as evening snacks. This traditional wholesome and feel-good delicacy tastes really amazing. So let's get started with the recipe of Punjabi Pinni. For Punjabi Pinni, we need 4 cups of wheat flour, jaggery 3 cups of 450 grams, melon seeds half cup, 1 cup of cashew nuts, almonds 1 cup, Phool Makhana 1.5 cup, which is also known as foxnut or lotus seeds, raisins half cup, fennel seeds 1/4 cup, edible gum or Goond 100 grams, which is slightly more than half a cup, and ghee 2.5 cups. First of all, in a deep and heavy bottom pan, dry roast 4 cups of wheat flour. Keep the heat on medium flame and keep stirring it to make sure flour don't get burnt. Keep roasting it until it starts releasing nice aroma and turns very nice light golden brown. As now you can see, it has changed the color and it's releasing very nice aroma as well. So turn the heat off and transfer the mixture into another container. Now we need to make syrup with jaggery and water. I'm using 450 grams of jaggery and 1.5 cup of water. Mix them well and cook them on medium to high heat. Stir occasionally and cook until you get one string syrup. While it's getting ready, I'm going to fry the dry nuts. Now in the same pot, I'm using about 4 tablespoons of ghee and we need to roast all the dry nuts. I'm going to fry 1 cup of cashew nuts on low to medium heat. For any pinni, it's important to fry dry nuts in ghee to get really crispy and crunchy texture and to increase their shelf life. The combination of crunchiness of nuts and softness of flour give pinni very nice texture and flavor. We don't need to roast them for too long. Keep stirring and frying until they are very light golden brown. As you can see, cashew nuts are turned into nice light golden brown and it's time to take them out. Next, I'm going to fry Phool Makhana. Make sure to keep the heat from low to medium and oil should not be too hot. Fry them only for a couple of minutes or until they turn into nice golden brown. As you can see, that color has changed and I'm going to take them out. Next, going to fry 1 cup of almond. Keep stirring them on low to medium flame. Fry them for about 3 minutes and then take them out. Next, I'm going to fry edible gum or Goond. Make sure to fry Goond on low flame, otherwise it will become soft from outside but will stay hard from inside. Fry them until they change their color and become really soft and crunchy. These are now done and I'm going to take them out. At last, going to fry melon seeds. Just a little bit of oil is left, which is enough for seeds. Color of the oil has also changed due to nuts, which is completely fine. Because melon seeds are already quite soft, so we don't need to roast them for too long. Just roast them for 1 minute and take them out. I'm getting back to syrup now. It's thicker than before and jaggery has mixed well. Syrup will be ready in 6 to 7 minutes on medium to high flame. Now coarsely grind all the dry nuts. Don't make fine powder of them. As you can see, cashew nut and almonds are now ready. Now grinding Phool Makhana and Goond. Using the same pot, in the rest of the ghee, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. Keep the heat from low to medium flame. Firstly added roasted wheat flour and mixing it well. Once mixed, then we need to add all the coarsely grinded nuts, melon seeds and raisins. Mix all the ingredients really well. Once all the ingredients are mixed, Then add jaggery syrup slowly and carefully and keep mixing it. Because all the ingredients are roasted and fried in ghee, that's why you can keep these pinnis or laddus in airtight container for about 8 to 9 months. All the ingredients are mixed well. Now turn the heat off. It's really hot at the moment to give it any shape. Let them cool down for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, when mixture is still slightly warm but good enough temperature to touch it, then take small portion and make laddus of it. As you can see, it's holding shape and it's not crumbly at all. Make the balls with the rest of the mixture and enjoy these healthy, delicious pinni. Because of jaggery, these pinnis are really soft, and because of fried nuts, these have got really nice crunch in them. So guys, this is a must-try recipe, and don't forget to hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video. And subscribe us by clicking on the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Now you can choose to watch our next video or playlist from the screen, and you can also subscribe us using the link on the screen or in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks, bye-bye.